Okay, so this is connected car demo where we are looking at what are like information, infotainment has a problem, and you can see which car provider has the problem. Like this is BMW. So you can see that they have problem with accessibility in terms of overall QE and average speed download. So you can actually choose BMW and see which technology. So this is a trial on 5G. Now you can go in and look at where the actual problem with the car was happening. So as the car is moving, we track the performance. We can also show coverage in the area where the car is moving, so we can understand the coverage problem of the service. So you can look at, we have a geolocation and coverage that you can see the coverage here. And then you start looking at what are the KPIs behind that. Why are we having a problem with the infotainment business? So you can start looking, can they access? Can they retain the service? Is there an integrity or mobility issue, right? So you can see, for example, latency is a bigger problem here. They also have problem in setting up the service. So we can end-to-end look at from the car to the network, to the core, to the ISP, where is the problem happening? And you can actually drill down and see more details. So you can drill down and look at the latency, for example. And you can see the latency is happening at the at the data center. So now these cars are running and you have like video downloaded and the ISP has the problem. You have the KPIs over time. You can drill down from a KPI to see the actual transactions, which is more troubleshooting, right? So you can choose some of these things. Yeah, you can start seeing what was happening. So there was video streaming. Somebody in the car is doing video streaming and this is impacting the overall performance. So you can start looking at the video streaming and look at all the transactions from the car all the way to the core network, what was happening. The beauty about this is that we also capture what exactly was happening, so you can replay the video and see what was the problem during that time in the video, right? So you see this was a handover issue. The car was moving from a 4G to a 3G, and when it moved, there was a freezing in the video, right?